she's going to be a brutal one, folks. We're putting this off. Look, Dave's pissing about pretending he's busy over here. It's too hot for what we've got to do. Well, first of all, it's 100 degrees. And we now have to, I think we're going to take the car out and get her start get sanding on it, you know. We don't have to do the whole car, which is good. I've done most of it before. But the body kit, the roof, and the boot, or the trunk, whatever you want to call it. So, yeah, still not going to be fun nonetheless. It's just brutally hot, but it's not going to do itself. So let's get started, get the sandpaper out, get set up, and go from there. It is outside. Look, the wheels are obviously wrong. They need to come out by miles. But this is the first time it's been out with its kit on. It looks amazing. But yeah, that back wheel.
But we'll get bigger wheels, bigger offset wheels.
Bigger everything.
We've got these wheels, we can have this kit on them.
We're going to have to do something about up here too. I hate seeing all that. But all in good time. But yeah, this is her out. She looks fantastic. Right, so the boot or trunk, whatever you want to call it, was pretty bad. So I put some guide coat on this to try to get it as close to where it needs to be. This body kit and all that's obviously brand new, so it's in good shape. So the boot and the roof, and then she is ready for primer pretty much. Yes, we need a back bumper, but that's a hurdle we'll get to. And over here, and this is the rear wing that's on right now. It's literally just held on with tape, but I'm not too sure if that's the one I actually want. I really like the M3 sort of Evo one, so I think that's what I'm going to end up going with. But yeah, there's still a few things to figure out. I may or may not have ordered a bumper. We'll see. Hopefully that'll maybe arrive soon. But yeah, I'm just going to get sanding on this other side now, and yeah, just keep the ball rolling on this. Let's go. Right guys, so that is all the sanding of the kit done. Got the front, the back, the roof and the trunk. I'm still waiting on this front bumper to arrive. Hopefully within the next week it's going to be here. And I also need to make like bump shocks for in here. But I still need something that's it goes from there to there, like the bumper cover. I still need to figure out where I'm going to get that, because I mean I can get it off FCP Euro, but it's like $1,000, which I really don't want to pay. As for the back, same story. Need to get a new rear bumper or second hand, whatever, but I still need to get like the bumper cover thing, which is just a pain in the arse, you know. I maybe be able to fashion something, but I'd rather just get it done properly. So, but that's for this video. Nice and short, nice and sweet. So, thanks for watching, guys. And I'm not too sure what I'm doing in the next video. I'm actually away to Chicago this week, so I'm going to be tight for time on making one. But I'll try to get something out to you. But yeah, give us a like, give us a subscribe, and look, comment even any wee ideas you have, you know. Especially if you've got any ideas for the wee side strips along the door. Because I just don't know what to do there. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.